let's tangle paradox in a box. You will find the tutorial for paradox on my TikTok. So this doesn't specifically go through actual paradox. This is actually placing paradox in several boxes. So we start out with 4 dots of ink. These 4 dots of ink are just like a nice deep breath to say that the paper has ink on it. And then I created a border. And then from this border, I took each side of the square or the box and I made triangles out of them. And then I paradoxed in each of these. So I did the paradox tangle. Then I did the triangles again in the next inner square or box. And in those triangles, again, I did the tangle paradox. And I did this all the way to the center until I could not fit any more triangles inside each of the squares or boxes. I then took some blue charcoal and kind of outlined just where each box or square is. I blended it with the tortillon, and then I did some extra fun things at the end. I'm going to have another tutorial after this to show you exactly what I did with this tangle, which is pretty cool.